Hello everyone. I just wanted to jump on, make a quick video to let you know that somehow I've messed up the assignment for VoiceThread in the way that I set it up. I'm new to it. It's new to me, and I was trying to be creative and give you something a little bit more fun to do. And I'm going to try it again, but I'm going to take a few lessons from another faculty member first. And I apologize truly for the difficulty. So what's going to happen is those of you who have already submitted successfully will get a few bonus points, and then those of you who weren't able to, it will not affect your grade. I'm gonna remove it from the grade book. And again, I apologize. I'm very sorry. It's a learning curve, and I hope you forgive me, and I hope you have a wonderful week. This next week is going to be about library instruction for us. So Judy Howe will actually be leading this week's instruction for you. She is our Director of Library Science on Prestonsburg campus. She's director for all of the campuses, but she's actually physically located in Prestonsburg. So we will spend some quality time with her this week learning about the value of research. And after that, the following week, the one that starts, I think, on the 12th, if I'm correct. That is actually our fall break, so we will not have a folder that week, and then we'll come back in with week 9. And I hope everyone has a wonderful night. Thank you.